Today we are going to show you the unboxing and functionality of UDN Make AI Industrial Controller. As you can see on screen that it is available in various size and shape. Today we have DIN Rail Mount Type AI controller with us. As you can see, it has sleek and compact design and has DIN rail mounting, so it can be easily fit in any panel without any hustle. The main advantage of this controller is that you can give power to multiple controllers in series with help of this terminal connector. So no need to connect the power and serial communication separately if multiple controllers are going to be used for same application. The power supply which can be given to this controller can be seen on screen right now. As you can see here, we are using 4 to 20 mA signal as an input. Other inputs that can be used are shown on the screen right now, below information to be only shown on screen. Apart from the above-mentioned input specification, an additional type can be provided upon request. On another side, you can see the output of the controller, which is one alarm output and one relay output in this particular model. Other outputs that customer can opt are shown on screen right now. For controlling and setting purpose, here we can see a display and some push buttons. Functions of all push button can be seen on the screen now. By keep pressing the setup key for 3 to 4 seconds, you can enter the setting screen as can be seen on the screen right now. By entering password 808, you can unlock all the settings. The main function of this controller is that it has 2 regulation modes such as 1. On-off control mode. 2. AI PID with fuzzy logic. PID regulating and auto-tuning with advanced artificial intelligence algorithm. So with help of this 2 regulation modes, we can use this controller as per our requirement. Many options such as high limit alarm, low limit alarm, alarm output allocation, and many more can be seen in the setting screen. For better understanding of all these functions, you can refer to manual of this controller. Main features. It has accurate digital calibration technology for input measurement. Wide range of thermocouples and RTD are supported in this controller. Maximum resolution that can be achieved is 0.01 degrees Celsius. This controller works on advanced artificial intelligent control algorithm to avoid overshoot. Auto-tuning (AT) is also provided in this controller. It has innovative modular structure which enables abundant output options to adapt to different applications. Quick production lead time and convenience in maintenance are benefited by use of this controller. It has user-friendly operation user interface. Customization on operation authorization and interface, as if it is tailor-made. Universal power supply 100-240 VAC or 24 VDC is possible. Advantages. Compact size. DIN rail mount. Multiple controller can be connected through one power source. Communication of multiple controllers can be done through one communication channel. Works on both AC and DC power supply. Area of work. Due to its compact size and DIN rail mounting, it can be used in customized panels through which you need to control any particular process. It has RS-485 communication, so it can be used remotely with the help of IoT devices and PLC. Industries where it is used commonly: oil and gas industries, agricultural industry, dairy industry, and solar and automation industries.